It's a straightforward question with an answer that, while simple on the surface, opens up a world of possibilities and considerations for your business. Understanding Setmore's pricing isn't just about a number. It's about understanding the value you get for that investment, the features that unlock new efficiencies, and how it can truly transform the way you manage appointments, clients, and your precious time. Think about it. Every minute you spend manually scheduling, sending reminders, or chasing down payments is a minute you could be spending on what you do best, serving your clients, developing new services, or simply taking a well-deserved break. That's the core promise of an online scheduling tool. It's about giving you back control and freeing up valuable resources. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the monthly costs, let's set the stage a little more. Setmore isn't just a basic calendar app. It's designed to streamline the entire appointment booking process for a wide range of businesses, from salons and barbershops to consultants, fitness instructors, and even large enterprises. It aims to reduce administrative burdens, minimize no-shows, and provide a seamless booking experience for your customers. The benefits are clear. Imagine your clients being able to book appointments 24/7, even when you're closed, through a personalized booking page. Imagine automated reminders going out, significantly cutting down on those frustrating missed appointments. Imagine having all your client information in one place, easily accessible and organized. These are the kinds of efficiencies Setmore promises. Now, with that context in mind, let's address the elephant in the room, the monthly cost. Setmore offers a tiered pricing structure, which is common for software as a service, SaaS products. This means they have different plans, each designed to cater to varying business sizes and needs, with corresponding features and, of course, price points. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation, and that's actually a good thing, because it allows you to choose the plan that best fits where your business is right now. At the heart of Setmore's offering is its free plan. Yes, you heard that right, Setmore offers a robust free tier. This is a fantastic starting point for small businesses, solopreneurs, or anyone just looking to test the waters of online scheduling without any financial commitment. The free plan allows up to 4 users, supports up to 200 appointments per month, and includes essential features like a custom booking page, email reminders, and even the ability to accept payments through Square. This is incredibly generous and can be a game changer for businesses still relying on manual methods. For many, the free plan might be all they ever need to get started and see a significant improvement in their scheduling process. However, as your business grows, so too might your needs. This is where Setmore's paid plans come into play. They generally have 2 main paid tiers, Pro and Team. It's important to note that the monthly price often varies based on whether you choose to pay month-to-month or opt for an annual subscription, with annual billing typically offering a significant discount. Let's break down the Pro plan. This plan is designed for individual professionals or small teams, typically accommodating 1 to 2 users. When billed monthly, the Pro plan usually costs around $12 per user per month. However, if you opt for annual billing, that price often drops significantly to about $5 per user per month. That's a huge saving and definitely worth considering if you're committed to using Setmore long-term. The Pro plan unlocks a lot of valuable features beyond what the free plan offers. These include unlimited appointments, SMS and email reminders, which are crucial for reducing no-shows, two-way calendar sync with popular calendars like Google Calendar and Office 365, recurring appointments, and the ability to remove Setmore branding from your booking page, giving your business a more professional and consistent look. You also gain access to more payment integrations, including Stripe, in addition to Square. Then there's the Team plan. This plan is built for growing businesses with multiple staff members and offers unlimited users. Similar to the Pro plan, the monthly cost for the Team plan is typically around $9 per user per month if billed monthly. Again, choosing an annual subscription brings that cost down considerably to approximately $5 per user per month. So, for a larger team, the per-user cost can actually be the same as the Pro plan if you go for the annual billing option, which is great value. The Team plan includes all the features of the Pro plan, with the key difference being the capacity for unlimited users. This makes it ideal for businesses with expanding teams, multiple locations, or those who simply want the flexibility to add staff members without worrying about user limits. Beyond these core plans, Setmore also offers an enterprise plan for larger organizations with custom needs. The pricing for this plan is tailored and requires direct contact with Setmore's sales team to get a quote. This level of service typically includes enhanced customization options, dedicated support, and solutions designed to integrate with complex existing systems. So, when you ask, how much is Setmore monthly? The answer isn't just one number. It's a range, depending on your needs. Free, $0 per month. Up to 4 users. Limited appointments/reminders. Square payments. Pro, $12 per user per month. 1 to 2 users. Unlimited appointments. SMS/email reminders. Two-way sync. Unbranded page. More payment integrations. Often drops to $5 per user per month with annual billing. Team, $9 per user per month. Unlimited users. All pro features. Often drops to $5 per user per month with annual billing. Enterprise, custom pricing for large organizations with specific requirements. It's crucial to evaluate these plans based on your current and projected business needs. Don't pay for features you won't use, but also consider how scaling your operations might impact your choice down the line. The beauty of Setmore's tiered structure is its flexibility. You can start with the free plan, experience the benefits, and then seamlessly upgrade to a pro or team plan as your business expands and demands more advanced features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.